try doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be trying to make Filipino bread called Pandesal. So I've cleaned and prepped my area. See you in 20 minutes. Dip them in the breadcrumbs and lay them out. Now just preheating the oven at 180 degrees. Hello. Hello. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Start. And let's throw this in. Good luck. Alright, let's take these babies out. Let's try this one right here. See how it tastes. Cheers.